Good day. According to a certain author that there is no greater work than the work of a teacher. No artist nor sculptor can equal the work of a teacher. My name is Mrs. Ruth Rachel Bergara Alduber Baliti, MAED 202 student of Agusan Colleges Incorporated, under Dr. Trixie Cobelias. My task is to report on RA 4670, otherwise known as Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. Article 1. Declaration of Policy Coverage. Section 1. Declaration of Policy. It is hereby declared to be the policy of this Act to promote and improve the social and economic status of public school teachers, their living and working conditions, their terms of employment, and career prospects. Section 2, Title Definition. This Act shall be known as the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers and shall apply to all public school teachers. As used in this Act, the term teacher shall mean all persons engaged in classroom teaching in any level of instruction on full-time basis. Article 2. Recruitment and Career. Section 3. Recruitment and Qualification. Recruitment policy with respect to the selection and appointment of teachers shall be clearly defined by the Department of Education. For teachers in the kindergarten and elementary grades, bachelor's degree in elementary education. For teachers of the secondary schools, bachelor's degree in education or its equivalent with a major and a minor, or a bachelor's degree in arts and science with at least 18 professional units in education. For teachers of secondary vocational and 2 years technical courses, bachelor's degree in the field of specialization with at least 18 professional units in education. For teachers of courses on the collegiate level, other than vocational, master's degree with a specific area of specialization. Section 4. Probationary period. Teacher who possesses the minimum educational qualifications herein above set forth but lacks the appropriate civil service eligibility, such person shall be appointed on a provisional status and shall undergo a period of probation for not less than 1 year from and after the date of his provisional appointment. Section 5. Tenure of office. Stability on employment and security of tenure shall be assured the teachers as provided under existing laws. Section 6. Consent for transfer transportation expenses. No teacher shall be transferred without his consent from one station to another. No transfers whatever shall be made 3 months before any local or national election. Necessary transfer expenses of the teacher and his family shall be paid for by the government if his transfer is finally approved. Section 7. Code of Professional Conduct for Teachers. The Secretary of Education shall formulate and prepare a Code of Professional Conduct for public school teachers. A copy of the code shall be furnished to each teacher. Section 8. Safeguards in Disciplinary Procedure. Every teacher shall enjoy equitable safeguards at each stage of any disciplinary procedure and shall have A. The right to be informed. B. The right to full access to the evidence in the case. C. The right to defend himself and to be defended by a representative of his choice. D. The right to appeal to clearly designated authorities. Section 9. Administrative Charges. Administrative charges against a teacher shall be heard initially by a committee composed of the corresponding school superintendent of the division, where the teacher belongs. Section 10. No discrimination. There shall be no discrimination whatsoever in entrance to the teaching profession, or during its exercise, or in the termination of services, based on other than professional consideration. Section 11. Merit teachers. Section 12. Academic freedom. Section 13. Teaching hours. Section 14. Additional compensation. Section 15. Criteria for salary. Section 16. Salaries. Section 17. Equality in salary scales. Section 18. Cost of living allowance. Section 19. Special hardship allowances. Section 20. Salaries to be paid and legal tender. Section 21. Deductions prohibited. Article 4. Health measures and injury benefits. Section 22. Medical examination and treatment. Section 23. Compensation for injuries. Section 24. Study leave. Section 25. Indefinite leave. Section 26. Salary increase upon retirement. Section 6. Teachers' organization. Section 27. Freedom to organize. Section 28. Discrimination against teachers prohibited. Section 29. National Teachers' Organizations. Article 7. Administration and enforcement. Section 30. Rules and regulations. Section 31. Budgetary estimates. Section 32. Penal provision. Section 33. Repealing clause. Section 34. Separability clause. Section 35. This act shall take effect upon its approval. Approved June 18, 1966. That would be all. My reference is the Law Field Project, Arellano Law Foundation. Thank you and God bless.